Hi everyone, we've got this question today. We've got a vector is equals to 2i vector plus j vector minus k vector, b is equals to I minus j, and c is equals to 5i minus j plus k. And we need to find a unit vector that is parallel to a vector plus b vector minus c vector, but in the opposite direction. Alright. Let's not be confused by hearing this parallel word, because that adds nothing over here in our solution. But opposite direction means negative vector, and unit vector, okay, let me give you an introduction of unit vector. So if x vector is any vector, then unit vector of x is represented by x cap, and this would be equal to x vector divided by the magnitude of x vector. This being said, now here in our question, x vector will be equal to a vector plus b vector minus c vector. Let's write down. A is given to be 2i plus j minus k. B is given to be I minus j. And c is given here, sorry, it's negative. C is given to be 5i minus j vector plus k vector. Now let's just add the like terms. 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 5 would be minus 2i vector. 1 minus 1 is 0, and plus 1 would be 1. That would be plus j vector. And we've got minus k, we've got nothing here, minus k, and then minus k would be minus 2k vector. All right. So our a vector plus b vector plus c vector is equals to minus 2i vector plus j vector minus 2k vector, which can also be written as minus 2 comma 1 comma minus 2. Now, as mentioned, we've already found out the x vector. Now we need to find out what is the magnitude of x vector. Now the magnitude of x vector, or magnitude of a vector plus b vector, I'm sorry, it's negative c vector, will be equals to root, now the square of the x coordinate plus the square of the y coordinate plus the square of the z coordinate, which is equals to root 4 plus 1 plus 4, which is equals to root 9, which would be equal to 3. Now unit vector, which is a plus b minus c, unit vector would be equal to minus 2i vector plus j vector minus 2k vector divided by 3. But remember, the question says us in opposite direction, so we will be needing to put a negative sign here, and therefore writing this would be 1 over 3, the negative signs multiplies inside terms, so it will be 2i vector minus j vector plus 2k vector, and this is our desired answer. And also to notate it, we can put a negative sign here. So what we did, just a quick revision, we found out a vector plus b vector minus c vector, then we found the magnitude of the a vector plus b vector minus c vector, and since it asks us an opposite direction, so we put a negative sign in front, and we just find the unit vector by just putting the vector divided by its magnitude, and that is our answer.